as if say Ghana ungovernable. Na sadie we die eno na akoyi owura kwakwa anyi doho anoka. Because Oma try so many times. I fed here to the extent to say, ku kurebesi. They are doing that on the basis of security. Reason be I fed here Ghana ye seriously insecure the kura say bambo bie ni ho president kure ni bambo na they told ne papa no ebi sanya baba betu ni biem where ye adia or drum home and they actually probably the vulnerability of this government. Enti ade abeto ene sa na no akwa yinika na me de meka kire obo say mahwe o ma yeyi wo mu ebe o be party executives ye government bi abeye strong wa ejina party executives o party executives o yemfemi agro se uko baby te se China nya Japan ana empo South Africa ha party ni is so strong we say sebenye kwatancha bia na obuko hwie wo mugu so omunye executives enti South Africa kura no temo na ompese omunyi Zuma efri hono party executives very strong and powerful. Yemu committee. Njomuka se free wa, free ho. Kona ko Russia or China, people who become party officials, say party chairman, ni secretary, and say organizer. Kona ko nipano ejina biano ne tebia owom, and how he has been taken through serious political development. Nezo be the namle baby ano nam hoko anu manu to be kasa ya ni akofa no make us stand for this. Ya party minti develop no say ye develop no to the level say obekasa ojira brane. Enu bi na yi ayido. And the party officials with the both MPP and NDC. The party must be very, very, very strong. I want intelligent people. One was say one APA. And the General Secretary Eba Bekasa. Our particular China, and Japan, and Empo US, South Africa, Secretary of a party Eba Bekasa, the General Administrator of the party. Ayasam Kasiye. So very serious and I General Secretary what you phone a bomb one was a say Maniki Kebi venture homo not sorry not Kasa Kasa the party and guide Obi akura go through. Enti party no kura no met me a technically party na gu. Akom no ko atusire. Enti usore kura na wo kasa enti party de executives hu hia. Enipa omo ba as party officials. Mo to aba munyi wo mo gina brane kasa de e no ne de tete people who will make the party relevant both in opposition and in government. Toto. Nye to. Ye de bobon krofo. Nye mumunuhwe. Mumba na ebei. Ye kacha America fo na aba no oge fo no na aba no. Wo mo be fire mo. E ma ne ma be da me ma ne me ma so. Musu mu magu ho ye chiri kokwa ye di ni ba. E ho na mo mako school. E ho na mo yire no mo wo. Bebre kwenyi say wa ha wo mo se akowo ho say onye citizen of America neti wo ya citizen for America no ne de ko soldier wo akoye gay wonte military corporations say wonte asia enfo anu nkofam enti eho aduru time a enkrofo exploit enti meka say uwo opposition nipa person ye relevant. Dear we ne dear one no can. And some kura wokano. ebitimi ka wiase Nelson Mandela akɔhwɛ ne nsɛm wɔ kan wobɛhu bi Socrates mu nyina wobɛhu kɔhwɛ Archimedes ne nsɛm a ɔkaayɛ kɔhwɛ Winston Churchill kɔhwɛ Kwame Nkrumah nsɛm a ɔkaayɛ so kwagu anyi the whole wanted us say when ebeye ni quotation when he is no longer in politics kwaku what will make you relevant when you are even out not in politics yadia and kwala de be kai wo you are not going to be the last deputy general secretary. There will be so many of them. Yeah, so what handing over notes are you living? Including your wise quotations. Yeah, obey. So is this a wise quotation?
Council, no, he's enjoying the attention.
He's enjoying
the media attention.
Oh, who enjoy the attention? And you come for cry, or enjoy attention. On the Sotroni BF. Obit me born one of these wedding agent. O just say, Yenny Penina, and they be crepe ye. And your foot to arm, the man only say, as Deputy General Secretary, Ebia me name the party, num philosophy, and NDC Kura as a whole, where you must establish credibility first. Answer. There be a two NDC for there. You must first establish credibility when you are in opposition. Mentias here, when you establish it has taken NDC quite a long time to establish credibility. Frontline communicators in most of them incur the wrath of Ghanaians. So it is too early for them to become angels. Yes, I see how me angel. Hey, nanu ya. Ukacha software say criminals in sockets. Says ya wababa surabo. Nanu ya o synchrophobic singer like a canary. Nanu ya temdidia a course or a won't see as a Ghana for every free and someone tell there. But I can tell you, there are so many things it will take them years to forget. I don't bet you. And intermediate, it is good the security is now alert. Where the matter of party some a way some Nankala dear children, boys, dear children, we know media dear hame crane and rantier ya dachi kawase musia casa desa mube compa. Sometimes when it is wrong, it is wrong. It is wrong. When you're undemocratic, and you're dear, and you're gonna for crying titty, sanity. Even if, because I mean, this will be a case to that extent. Now you're so good. Now I'm saying, if you're better, and medical. So, for about 2 or 3 weeks, you've been in so Kukasano, a chassis, a change, this Aluprebe, yes, yeah. It's not just a Uhusampa. The war corner will degenerate into a was a son, Ako baby bonnet. Nano, a young one, set part in the top officials be Anthony Nancy, one man can't say, Kwaku, and some no diacono, and yet.
Atia Omoko Chamber of the House. A crack attack MPs. A misbehave. Yes, so far as a opposition. Opposition, I granted some 24 years here. So do you want to tell me you can't stay? Obi try home fear what you. Obi Kurati party, a ma power though. Baby, that to be Edward Mahama nominate the DPNC. A good day no more party, the Pagosinum or Mudia and Domino Abba. What is all Macacasa way? Now one anu ye and infiam ye numpokrana, who free power. Who say, why? Hey, he must prepare his mind to stay in opposition. That's what prepare nothing. Say baby or one, your friend government brim, your friend opposition, the one you're not being ye what do ye nothing relevant to our cause. So democracy no ye no. Yensu ye be me ye ni abre. Yensu ye relevant. Ye be contribute Of course, there are certain things. But we walk around one situation no be enkoye. Men ka say mo ntra ho form sanche o mo dam ni fam. They must make sure can micro or nam no. E mo so ye ma no. Can micro or nam. E mo so chene ya kwala abremu no. O pa chene no a e makra micro trimu ya ne de. E ma ne kira aboa no. Sa na tie. E bi kura wo kira aboa no mpo kura wo nka ho. Wo hwibi. Wa wo kore wa de. And don't pay na de be ma no. And so box wa sa na tie. Wo betimi aboa. I make constructive criticism, and that will make you relevant. Where Cardinal B, your friend Cardinal the rest, was it is very damaging for a leader to say foolish things than to do that. Cardinal the rest. Who ye the other one no back cano say obey. Who accuracy say obey. It is say what to obey my to 1 hour trimpera. Now what would they would say you hear 107.1 or boss throw.
Ash FM 101.
Obela do okra wanka. Wo obi say adwuma no. Empo eyesere so ode na no ebe ye hi say watubi. Enti de odo wa no beka no. Enne wan hwe yi a on say NDC for afei na ye mo hwa say afei ye mbere package. Something you could done long ago. Something you could have done. Nanka na ye car. Kwagwa nyi do ho nanko ye car. And can now who say asay a record ditch at any point in time. And to bear 2 weeks eBay, moment means steady. And when you said the war ye, papa you call wayward. And you was a sevuno. Matrawa manane namwa said the wakai. Mubeden monia. Media me there and the police. One a step in and tem. Sana ya yeduma. O mine wo your democracy no. Very young. You see a DA, but media me da so huno. Say ya da so teaching problems. Eni pebia ya do on mobile politics. Ye yi wo mo as party leaders. Ye nhwe ye going forward. Send if the party that position will even be vacant, it is better than putting a wrong person there. It is better. Say party no kura no munya ni papa kura mfani nyina muma enye vacant obie ni ho na monka say ya enye nipa Ghana for betem ase esene say mudu obi beba na fe wo kan wei no wakan wei e na aka opposition a uko opposition a person obetumi mu ntemo a e say o establish legitimacy and relevance afei na wo build credibility and only say Ubeme nipa jiwa die paasa wasesa. Enti die na wo ye ne kane no. Tumi timbo dam, timbo nipa dam. Ama fe or misbehave. Tumi betimi nipa ne nipa nyina. Yeso pese upe nipa character pa. Mani tumi ana mani sika. Nipa te se lepte. Ontonzo hie mu a wunye hu dote. Ubaka se wo ye yibi. No nya tonzo hie mu a ena abe hu di tumi no ne ye ne ba. Ube hu so ye nipa papa, ana so ye nipa bone. Na kwa de wo opposition eno ani say bia wo exploit enipa bi say yenu so yenkeka nya de Ghana for ehwehwe ni madikan aka say Ghana for yehu na said de niam esi ko no me feel say bia ni mu animu yi a ena me hwe figures. I am surprised that the recovery may even happen by the end of the year. The recovery may even happen. Now, if it's about travel to 2019, say recovery no, kura no ayebetimi akase. By the close of the year, Ghana foreign reserve may even hit $9 billion. If you couldn't see that, so 1 year, obietimi dia say. By the close of the year, apart from contractors, now all the arrears pa etiare no ni yi edi Africa. Na me kura mi who said gross domestic product ababi aba power. Now within that year, and then me hwe no gross domestic product etimi 1 single year watimi move from 167 billion to 204 billion Ghana cedis. Even see that within 1 year. Within 1 year, enti se wo hwe mu kura no a na manfo ka Ghana ka and am se me de Ghana ka no ebe kyerɛ mu yie Ghana ka efiri say ye enjoy HIPIC initiative ni nyinaa ye ka no na ye 112% debt to GDP when J. Kufuor took over. Afe woni na munu a okọ HIPIC no a drop about 26.8%. A drop ye ne koduru se drop ye no. E pagya ne musa anyina biem afi bia anyini kosoro afi bia anyini kosoro na uhwemu a 2012 48%, 2013 53% debt to GDP no 2014 70%, 2015 71.6%, 2016 73.3%, 2017 69.8%. On sa ha se yebefo. When your friend amamu papa. When your friend is amamu papa. So it is expected to say any fear watch Ghana debt to GDP will be tamed between 55 to 58%. I feel na ye establishing relevance. Ewo mem I feel pa na ye sisi ene ma yi. Ebi si da se Ghana ka da bia pagya no muti se alupra watu fufuro okọ no. Afa die we kura die and level kura within the you attacking those dive. Etebe form. We ni try and say si e koso hyehyɛ ye ne ma yi. Ni any bria was about where you so careful say minyi ni se contract enuamu pa kese ni bi to the tune of about 5.4 billion ebetimi happen won na Akufo Addo meso minyi all the relevant loopholes baby amanfo di sikafa na reforms wa eba no setimi remove nipa every sikagege ho na fe nipa nye gisika bia mu dia ehono na ban no ebeboa na no na me frɛ teachers nurses no mani ade na buso bu say single spine salary no ekoye no money je o msian misi munim second tier pension no so o mso ya neje na me say na munim sika ndodo me say months no na union no ba akukure ni mu ka aban no ede afedo o mko tena ase aban say me tua 3.1 billion my release it the come council. What is so obi abakura beda ban na say? What say union no bi kura aba. MPP have chopped several success stories. They have a lot of good stories to tell. Omo achieve within 1 year no. And no na e wasi enye kwan ton na Ghana 40 years. Eti teachers who call pension won kwa nsapan kofa wo yire ntu machine twa wasen ebiem afi wo kwa onsa beka wo second tier pension enti esa unions no na kwa esa wo mo kura emit the press wo mo ka kira wo bo se sa de we aban ya amaye enti aban ye niema sei in the midst of clearing arrears ya ne tie then na akoka se aban no ebi ado ye mi hunu hwe enye brabo ni de yamfia no na ya de betena o man mu sese ya didi o obi abaye legitimate business ni a successful business people nya de okotare party achi adwuma no kurampo onye so afi ade ba ko ha me youth no le ka kire o ne say the fight against corruption is for their benefit. Mrante na aba. Enti si echi obi, mi kusibu afo si echi me. Ni edi mi ko gina baabi se, medisika ana ma ye boni a, menyi metimi ayima no. No obi na beche, obi ama hu kro no obi na beche am se lawyer ni. Ye mpe youth ni so mbekwa akodi akire. Muna sika ni siseye nyina is to your benefit. Me hwe Ghana kano. Bullet points payment ya ebeba bond no ayeji no. Interest no ye service yo. Principals no go ho e free 2023 kono ene ye behwe ya ni so ade. Enti se ne obi a wo wadwen a wo se me for man sika. One, yeah, what this payment, free 2023 call. unemployment in susu gumuso as young men. Nipa ni abri peska se enuru time of bullet point payment no principal ni redeem no kura emra no ni etimi aye infrastructure papa enya kwan enya dams na one factory one state aye
107.1
na mo nya duma ye na basa ye ni hokura na mo be ko kanu a mo be nya sika dia asaka no. That is the fight. When the catcher mo say oman aye successful no corruption wo China ni enka se o ye corrupt ni ehwe ba bia do be fa ye sori ko ho se ye kwa kope bibi nya se broni no wo ye soro abofo but system a wo mu di egu ho no sikawi eden na o fan so a ye be punish you because ye mpese obi be repeat eno na enti ebebei minim se mrantie bia sika no wo no mu ani bie wo mu shirt be se mienu esensan dan ho ndadoa no omo di abobo ye frɛ wa ye se beji 50 Ghana kona ko yi shirt ne se na be foro ka ye kwa akotwi momome e de ama obi unim hawa aba beto so sa de no a wo ye ye nti ka wasa wo kwan ya ye yi awie dada no ono ko afa enti sam na ntie no ne mabaawa no enkanya mugina bie eni enya mutena bie eni nya ni se wa wie school mfie num mfie nan mfie miensa wunya adwuma nya ye na person se from cross Mediterranean Sea ekopa adwuma bi ye ebi kura wu ko wu ho Ghana nsoso e wase ye nso ye nhye ye say we can do something to help you enti free na eko ye amamuo yi main focus is job creation na wase stop corrupt people azan yetimi aye successful ye ntimi na etise wo no odwan kwa da ye wo twe no no ono worry na momo mrante do kura youth no amoti akire no you are not in the positions to steal mo men sika no ho ensisa kura mo men ho kakra mo benya dia toto tramo ani apetesi asa mo adwiniti ene ti mudi akire no dia mo saka nya tramo ene ti mito de papa bi kura wo wiase muni akire na nipa na yenyeri sei because me de me so obi a wafa Ghana ska no wan fa no kwam papa so no wa bi so ni position e wose e punish no na nne obi o bia e de Yesu ehunu se ampa sei na to asumasi me ade a president de aba e ye me depa special prosecutor na fe right to information e ye no a pende ya menim se beba so no manage ho simply because ye antimi and reform institution na no me check ya mehwe me say institution ba kokure ni Ghana ha ye ready to deliver proper public good institution ba kokure ni but be ni why ye o Ghana ha now with this flashy programs corruption na ya is how and the programs are na do run out to nyina no eye efe na so ya nyere ye ho a enkrofo ma ne nsane and benefited the citizens wo mo be first kan nyina entine ya amamuo you must be a shepherd and a butcher at the same time before you can don't be to my ear boy oh yeah moa also san wa kokudura obitibia aton bia kubi abobo no twaso nipa ni nyina and na relevant to our cause bebre baya o mu be dire yen any future generation and no na was a president any abawe any abre wo na nya say obi na which anten mana be 40 di fi a unko ho mpabo so be yi na free ho nanka pray for me no aba bebre no of a him for the no one more pray for me. I am going to buy na akwa.
So be am person busuye for better.
Person di busuye for better. Na Ghana busuye ni bia on the hot change corrupt individual. Busuye ni bia ni ho. Ono de obetimi a target
FM 107.1.
Enti ube hwe Ghana ka. Die sum ho ni nyina kire se Ghana ka 30% ye nnuamu. Yamfa anya adwuma no. Ene gunchiri ma ho. Senka ye hweye ena na Akufo Addo no ne special magic ya ne say oye prudent o hwe sika ye when you be a walk cross na dwen or your president that na ni hwem wankasa kwanse kasa a wote na wo say your project value for money na no say contract bi anywhere wo Ghana ye dey ma na Ghana ni betimi aye anase consultant Ghana ni consultant be ya e wo say patam obi man be this kind of because he saw several consultancies. Yeah, be 37% of the total value of the What's where they want to be that? Fine Ghanaians, one second individuals.
On 107.1.
Who the public sector will be iron who say I say untiminye near the common outsider, so a consultant near Cotenechi, near the punchy hole, near Yini Akoche. This thing must stop. And only a year, sir, who aggregate outside consultancy, Ghana for better. Near the school near day. Well, be who says, Sam Microphone, a cottage microphone, Cotus, Womoba. I don't know consultants. See, dear, yet me. It is idea or year, Coswallow, Mr. Ghana for. Mempese, we a parent, Oba or Tiffy, corruption idea, Mr. Muntu or no for ye. Abanwe onyi sika no mfe munu botom ye nhunehuna akromfo so mu be wia Ghana sika se ye de ye ta wono mankasa de ye hwehwa ne se ejawi antiawi maamiawi wofawi sisterwi mu be ja ye wi na Ghana fo ho ato afa ni e de sika na sidam papa aye kwan papa esi hospital papa masa wo yare na wo kɔ hɔ a wo benya duranom Edias Yanshisha Yepa Ghanaians Ebetimi anya bibi akura na dachi no womu compete with other people elsewhere womu atimi aye ni yi eno any ade a ehia nyesa fe na minua nan na say now of course high profile corrupt individuals no ye sika no kura bum no yamu fe nya dwapade Ghana ho enti wote ho sa ye dwapade wo Ghana na mekwa ene ye wo boa Munwe ye ni entertain wono na bifi se da bia no enchiriba no beba beka bebo aban woyi abaso na bi ka galamse eni ade meti ase bibia no awurade de adwapade chewa wo de ache the entire spectrum of Ghanaian generation ekopem time of Jesus Christ beba one single generation entimi mese no when you don't have technology to get that mese no se wonni ni mudia ye di gold a emeseno na woma woni mudie bedai ebeba baba be enti the American say ye hwehwe nimdie the government is working what the nimdie papa asumasi ne bentensa ka eye na mo aye ni yie mo ye ni yie a sika no beba Ghana mo ye Ghana for you must be patient enough na nhye ye papa ne mbra na nkwala no daache omo ba wono man kokra nsu a menom anka say asase kura say na ensan medane wo soka nti nuanom de amdi beja wo mu ano
me da se owura Thomas Kusibo Afo chief executive officer